Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 23, locate the Planner files. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be a what school of business. We're going to start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on Application. Go to All Applications. Scroll to Explore all your applications. Now go to Microsoft Planner. Let's just wait for that to load. Now click on the pinned plan within Planner. Computer Science Videos. Now the aim of this video and tutorial is to locate the files that we have uploaded to Planner as part of the to-do bucket. So we have one trial document and a screenshot. So you may be wondering, where are these files initially saved? They are saved to OneDrive. So what we can do is we can go all the way to OneDrive and locate the file. But what we can do, which is a quicker way, if we go to the three dots to the top right corner in the middle, we have the option to click on Files. If we now click on this, this will take us to OneDrive and SharePoint, which is all interlinked together. So here within Documents, we have the screenshot as well as the trial document located within SharePoint, so we can always access these if we ever require. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.